Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Robert, the Daily Trader. It is April 11th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how to use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Tesla is playing tricks on us while I was away. Basically, we had for 3 days last week, we had a nice little support at 1023.11. And this support also fit pretty well with, let me just adjust this. It fit pretty well with our first channel resistance or second channel support. Second channel support right here, this line right here. So we had a nice stabilization there. And at that point here, even last Friday, we had the stochastic over 67. So there was a definite possibility that the stock would just be bouncing on that support right here. But sorry, it did not happen. The stock was too weak to do that. So let's look at the 1-hour chart to understand a little bit how this happened. The stock gapped down during the first hour and then continued pretty much on the same support right here. The support is at 972.36. And just pay attention here. So just pay attention when we were on this 1023 support. Look at the stochastic on the 1-hour chart. So this was the first indication that things maybe could go wrong. When the stochastic of the 1-hour chart is under 60, this is a cause for concern. The stock can still maintain itself when it's under 60. So the support can still hold and then the stock can rise again. In this case, things were risky, and what happened is that we came down. So each time I see stochastic under 60 on the 1-hour chart, I always am cautious. So I sometimes buy a put to make sure that I'm covered. So we are dropping, and now this is the steepness of the drop. So this is the drop that we need to take a look at. Until we break that drop, we are dropping. Let's go back to the daily chart. Now we have stochastic under 60 at 55. So it seems like we are going to go back either on this double support right here, or maybe under this support right here. So all bets are on. In terms of the MACD, we have a crossover bearish. So now we are losing one of our green thumb. RSI at 48. I'm going to start doing this for RSI too. So RSI at 48, visibility days. And DMI is still holding okay. DMI is still holding okay. We could, as I said, we could be bouncing on this double support here. Let's go see what's happening in the markets, because sometimes what's happening in the market is influencing Tesla. I have to say that I'm a bit disappointed by Elon's presentation, the Texas factory reopening. A cyber radio event. Yes, it's a nice factory. It's great. They are going to produce a lot of cars. But if they call it cyber something, people are talking about the cyber truck, and we saw it, but we didn't get any information about it. So they could have pumped it up a little bit, talk about what's different between this production version Cybertruck and the concept car. Yes, this one has no handles. Could he show us how it worked? No, he did not show us. Basically, I felt that I think he could use a few PR people and salespeople and marketing people a little bit, because the stock is dropping a little bit. So maybe it's because of that. I don't know. Let's go see the market, the broad market. So the VIX, where is the VIX? VIX is increasing. So volatility is really increasing in the markets. This is affecting everything. Volatility is now on a rampage again. Look at this here. So we can use the same indicators for this chart. It still works. But crossover MACD, we have the DMI green, RSI over 50. And we still don't have stochastic, but this is for sure impacting the market. Dow Jones is at an important support here, 34,333. Very important support right here. If we break this and we have stochastic below 60, then we could be going lower. So that's a nice short right here. Just saying. Nice short under this resistance. That can be interesting. S&P 500 has already started it. It broke 44.54 below 60. This is where it should be going. S&P 100, yes, also it stabilized 2-3 days here at 13,759, and then now it's dropping stochastic lower than 60. So the stock market is really going down. So there you have it. Glad to be back. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.